Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we'll show you how to add image in PDF file in Android using simple and easy steps. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Files app on your Android phone. Step 2. Locate the PDF file you want to edit by scrolling through folders or using the search bar for faster access. Step 3. Once you find the PDF, tap on the three dots next to the file to open more options related to that document. Step 4. From the menu, tap on Open With and select Microsoft Office 365 or any other PDF editing app you have installed on your phone. Step 5. The PDF file will open in the selected app, allowing you to start editing the document. Step 6. Tap on the Edit button and wait a moment for the editing tools to load completely. Step 7. After entering edit mode, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen to open additional options. Step 8. Scroll down in the menu and tap on Insert Image to add a photo to your PDF. Step 9. Choose whether to take a photo using your camera or select an image from your gallery. Step 10. Browse your gallery and tap on the image you want to add to the PDF. Step 11. Once the image is added, you can crop, rotate, or delete it if needed to make it fit properly. Step 12. Tap on Review and Edit, then tap the Finish button at the bottom of the screen. Step 13. Drag the image to the desired position within the PDF. Step 14. Resize the image by tapping and holding the corners, then sliding to adjust its size. Step 15. Tap on the checkmark icon to confirm and lock in your changes. Step 16. Tap on the three dots again and select Save as to keep a new copy of the file. Step 17. Choose the folder where you want to save the edited PDF and tap Save. Step 18. Optionally rename the file, then tap Save again to complete the process. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Android tutorials.